kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things. I'm always giving you an update every month and detoxing your body. It is coming up to spring, and after spring, you know, it's going to be summer. All right, guys? So basically, you have to get yourself prepared for spring and for summer. You know, you have to detox your body and, you know what I mean, clean out your immune system. 2 buckets of water. This one is for the morning. When you wake up, go downstairs and make this. All right? Make it in the morning. How are you going to make it? I'll show you, because I don't want you to do any mistake. All right, let me just get a simple glass. All right, don't do no mistake. Get a bucket of water like this. All right, and then what you're going to do is pour out a little bit more of it, because it's a little bit too much. This water is very nice. I like this water. All right. Get a medium-sized cucumber, large cucumber, doesn't matter. And what you're going to do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 slices of cucumber. And all you're going to do is to put it straight inside of the water like this. You're going to put down in the water like this. And like this. Alright? You don't need to do nothing, just squeeze it, put it in the water. Like this. Alright? 6 pieces of cucumber in the water. Then this is some fresh mint. You see it? Oh, look, fresh mint. I'll just wash it off. Put a piece inside of the water like this. Alright? These are some celery stick. I washed them off. That's why yesterday and wet. Alright? So what you're going to do, just cut them into some strips like this. And then what you're going to do next is put it down into the water like this, and like this, and like this. Alright? I never run out of apple cider vinegar. I'm always having my apple cider vinegar. And I always have lemon. Alright? A lot of people say too much apple cider vinegar doesn't good for you. Some people say too much lemon doesn't good for you. It's what your body can take. My body take anything. That's all I know. Alright? Every one of us body is different. You can also cover this and put it in your fridge and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. When you wake up, don't eat enough food, don't brush your teeth or anything, just drink this on an empty stomach. If not, you can make 2 bottles and bring 1 to work and drink it through daily work. This bottle, when you make it, you need to put it down for 6 hours. 6 hours, not 5 hours, not 2 hours, not 3 hours, not 1 hour. 6 hours for the cucumber and the mint and also the celery to dissolve inside of the water. 95% of the cucumber is water. Please go to Google, do your own research, what cucumber good for, what fresh mint good for, and also what celery is good for. We have Google can do anything for us. Google loves us. Alright? You don't have to put apple cider vinegar into this water, because you just detoxing your body and clean out your immune system. Because the cucumber is really good for detoxing your body, and also you don't need to put any lemon also. But I'm making this bottle for myself, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of the apple cider vinegar inside of it, roughly about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Alright, so I'm just going to be doing my own measurement, roughly about a teaspoon inside of it, and I'm gonna just put this down one side. Alright, so tomorrow morning when my alarm goes off at 6:30, I will come out in the fridge, take out this one, and I will drink it before I do anything else. If you forgot to make it overnight, you can make it in the morning. Meantime, you're getting the kids them ready, or you're doing something upstairs, get your clothes iron, or you know what I mean, you can go and dissolve in the water. But the longer it is, in, you know what I mean, 6 hours is better for you. All right, so this one now is for the night. All right, when you're going to your bed at night, you don't eat, everything settle down, the kids them gone to bed, you go back downstairs, or you know what I mean, upstairs, wherever your kitchen is, and you make a buckle like this. No, you drink this buckle when you settle down, gonna go in, ready to go to bed. Get your buckle and you drink it. So I'm gonna show you how to make this one also. Same thing. Put it a little bit of water. And water is good for us. Same thing. Cucumber. You're gonna do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 slices of cucumber. 2, 4, 6. All right. And just put it straight inside of the buckle like this. And like this. And like this. And like this. This is how we're going to do it. And this is how we are doing it. All right, lovely. Then we're going to get a nice, lovely piece of a fresh mint, and we're going to put it straight in the buckle like this. All right. We're going to get another piece of a celery stick, and we're going to cut it into about 3 strips or 2 strips. 3 strips is better. And we're going to squeeze it down inside of the buckle like this. All right, down into the buckle like this, you know. And what you're going to do, you're going to cover it, turn it down, and everything will float up. Look at now, everything float up. Anytime you put anything into a buckle, just turn the buckle on like this and it start to float. Lovely. All right. Same thing, you don't have to use any apple cider vinegar inside of it, or you don't need to use any lemon or lime. You can just, because you're detoxing your body, you can just put this in your fridge and leave it for 6 hours. If your body, you know what I mean, most people say, oh, too much apple cider vinegar doesn't good for you, too much lime doesn't good for you. We all know that. Too much of everything doesn't good for us. We all know that. You know what I mean? So, even you cannot drink too much water. So, check it out. But for me, you know what I mean, I always, you know what I mean, I'm going to shake my apple cider vinegar. I always put in apple cider vinegar in mine, or probably lemon. You know what I mean? This time I'm just going to put apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to put a teaspoon of it inside of it. Because I love the apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar cleans my body and detoxing my body. So I love to use it inside of it. So every one of us is different, but as I said, you don't have to, because you're detoxing your body. And to be honest, guys, you know what I mean, this is really good for us. You know the reason why? It even when you drink this thing, you know what I mean, it helps your tummy. You know what I mean? I personally, I don't know about you guys. Someone written on my YouTube channel said, thank you so much, Chef Ricardo, for your drinks. You know what I mean? I lose 20 pounds off of this detoxing thing we have been teaching all along over the last 2 to 3 years now. I've been telling people about detoxing your body. And somebody written back me and said, thank you so much, Chef Ricardo, I lose 20 pounds and I was just doing this at home. It was a blessing. You know what I mean? There's a lot of people all over the world been using this thing, and it's reaching the world. It's reaching. I want people to understand that this is good. You know what I mean? This is good. This detoxing drink is natural and it is real, especially if you can go up in the mountain and get that natural spring water. And you know what I mean, get the natural cucumber and the mint and the, you know what I mean, all of these natural stuff, and drink it. Guys, can you imagine what's gonna happen to your system? You're gonna be looking like a newborn baby that's born. But anyway, as I said, this is a drink where honestly is very, very good for us. It cleans out the immune system. For me, I said this is my second baby. I know what I mean. I love this thing. I love it to my heart. I'm always drinking and always detoxing my body. The only reason why I keep drinking and detoxing your body, especially if you're a person who eat meat and eat a certain kind of stuff, you know what I mean? Your immune system, when you eat certain things lock back in your system. So when you drink these things, it clean you out. It's just like if you sink black, or you use some sink drain and pour it dissolve out this drain. They clean out the sink. You know what I mean? So this is what you do to your body. You just clean you out. It's like you put in a fresh oil in your engine. So your engine gonna be free and nice. Anyway, it's some tips and ideas, and this is from Chef Ricardo. This is Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. I love you all, and thank you so much for watching my show. We got a lot more recipes. I got a lot more ideas, and please, guys, please share the video. Tell if you don't want to share no other else video, this thing, please share it. Tell someone, make someone try it. You know what I mean? Before you even try it, please do your own research and Google what's cucumber good for, what apple cider vinegar, what's lemon, what's bits and pieces good for. You know what I mean? If you're a person who want to lose all weight and all these things, this is good for you. Alright, guys, I remember I used to have a big tummy. Alright, today I have a flat tummy. I never go to gym. I'm always preaching it. I never go to gym. I never in my life go to a gym and exercise. Yeah? Anyway, we're not gonna go there. We're just gonna tell you thank you so much for watching my show, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. Google Plus me every month. I have to do this. Update my fans, detox your body, and look after yourself. And this is from Chef Ricardo and my team.